Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn H sign. This is February monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So Capricorn, let's see what's going on and your messages. What are the messages for Capricorn? One card, Knight of Cups. Capricorn. Messages for Capricorn. Knight of Cups and Five of Pentacles. Death. The person involved in this connection could be Scorpio. Two of Swords, Nine of Pentacles and Ten of Swords. The moon, the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. So there are some disturbances between you and your person, maybe misunderstandings, maybe something hiding in this connection. One person is hiding something from the other person. Something is mysterious in this connection, okay? Maybe you're thinking something mysterious about your person. You're not getting clarity. Maybe they are non-committal, Capricorn. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Knight of Cups, Five of Pentacles and Death. Scorpio, maybe the person involved. So definitely there is separation. There are endings between you and your person in recent past. Maybe right now the separation is going between you and your person. But they want to return back. They want to come back because Knight of Cups energy. But they are in very slow moving energy. They're coming back. So yeah, I think you decided to move on from this person. Maybe you want to end the things with this person. Maybe they are non-committal. Maybe they are in and out of your life. There is no balance. Whatever maybe the reason could be, there is ending between you and your person. But they want to come back. Here they're coming back, but very slow moving energy. So right now what is going? Two of Swords, Nine of Pentacles and Ten of Swords. Yeah, still you are in so much confusion. You don't know which decision. You have some confusion, Capricorn, because you may be juggling between head over heart situation. Even though you're moving on, even though you stand by your power, because Nine of Pentacles, you achieved balance, you stand by your power and you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. You achieved this, but still you are getting thoughts about your person. Still somewhere your heart, somewhere in your heart, you want rebirth in this connection. Yeah, because you have pain, you have this pain due to separation. Yeah, you want rebirth in this connection. That's why even though you stand by your power, you're still thinking about them. And I think one part of your want to forget about them, but one part want reconciliation. There is some confusion state right now you are in. And near future, Wheel of Fortune, Three of Swords and Queen of Cups. Yeah, you are definitely missing your person a lot. Three of Swords energy. You are heartbroken. But you overcome this pain because things are turning out in your favor. Wheel of Fortune is here and Queen of Cups. You are very caring and giving person in this connection. Still you have strong emotions for them. Yeah, but they are coming back, I'm saying. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. Yeah, maybe they also having some confusion regarding this connection. Seven of Cups. For some, your person having options also. That's why maybe the separation had happened. So let's see your person current feelings. Capricorn. Capricorn, your person current feelings towards you. Yeah, Eight of Cups. Maybe your person is walked away. Definitely one person is walked away from this connection. Maybe children's also involved in this connection. For some it could be third party situation also. Under the deck, Princess of Swords, spying. Definitely some communication is coming in your way. They are spying on you on social media. They're stalking on you. And Knight of Swords, yeah, they're rushing towards you to communicate with you. They're thinking about to come towards you, or they're thinking about to communicate with you. Yeah. but they're thinking about you positively. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Capricorn. Your person near future actions towards you. Yeah, Knight of Cups 2 times. They have so much love for you. Right now, they are undergoing some healing and meditation process. Under the deck, the Devil. They're obsessed with you. They're obsessively thinking about you. That's why they're coming back. Because Knight of Swords energy is here. And they want success in this connection. They want to win you back again in their life. And Knight of Cups, they have strong emotions for you. They're coming back. And but very slow moving energy. Because right now, they are undergoing some meditation, some healing due to past hurts, maybe whatever, but they're thinking about you a lot. They're coming back. They have so much love for you because Knight of Cups is here. Yeah. And they want you back, and they want to win you back again in their life. So the person involved in this connection could be a lot of water energy: Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And they're obsessed with you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Capricorn. Yeah, there is a lot of drama, maybe a lot of disturbances between both of you. Under the deck, 9 of Cups. Yeah, they're wishing for new beginnings with you because the Fool, they want to take leap of faith. Maybe there are some trust issues between both of you. You are not trusting your person. Yeah. Maybe they lied to you, cheated on you because backstabbed, 5 of Swords energy. Yeah, but they want brand new beginnings with you. They are wishing for this. One card is Felton. Sorry guys, see, Ace of Pentacles, one card, that's why I'm taking. Under the deck, 8 of Cups, separation, maybe you walked away. Yeah, long-term commitment, some new beginnings. Yeah, apology, message, communication. Yeah, I think there will be reconciliation in this connection. There will be new beginnings. Yeah, they want some message, some communication, some apologies coming in your way, Capricorn. And there is long-term commitment is coming in your way. They're ready to offer long-term commitment to this connection. Yeah, reconciliation is coming. They are coming back. They want, I think there will be reconciliation because these are the outcome. Some communication after that reconciliation. So let's see your overall energy for the month, Capricorn. Ace of Wands. Yeah, they want, it's you, and you also want new beginnings with you. Yeah, still there are some disturbances between both of you, but you both have mutual love between both of you. You stand by your power and you are very grounded and you are very attractive. That's why they are coming back. Yeah, new beginnings, passionate new beginnings between you and your person. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. See, Ace of Swords, here 2 aces, definitely new beginnings, and they won't give up on you. 7 of Wands and 7 of Cups, they may be fantasizing about you a lot. And Princess of Wands, communication, definitely some messages coming in your way. They want to say apology for what they did to you. Yeah, they're fantasizing about you a lot. They won't give up on you, and some communication, some truth coming out. They want to express their feelings to you. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Capricorn. It's time to take action. So they're coming back, but very slow moving energy. So if you want to take action towards your person, this is the message from universe. So it's time to take action. In some other cases, if there is third party, if there is abuse, whatever, please don't take action. If there is no third party, it is just separation. but you both have so much love, then take action. But it's time to take action. In other words, if you are doing something, if you want to achieve something in your life, but you are dreaming about but not taking any action, this is the message for you. You have to take action. This is the time for you, and this is the message from universe, Capricorn. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.